Make money with AI music. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, go to suno.ai and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, set the generator to custom mode, then enter your music prompt or choose a style that fits your idea. Suno will generate a unique, AI-crafted track just for you. After it finishes, download the music to your device. It only takes a moment. Now, head over to 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀 and log in using your Google account. Once you're on your dashboard, click Add Product and type in your product name. This could be the name of your track or something catchy to grab attention. Next, write a short but engaging description. Upload a preview clip if available, and fill in the product summary to let potential buyers know what they'll be getting. Then, upload your full AI music file. Set your desired price, and when everything looks good, click Save and Publish. That's it. You now have a product live and ready to earn.